हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Heard Shri Chandra Kumar Rai, Learned Counsel for the Revisionist, full stop para. This revision is directed against the order dated 12/12/2019 passed by the civil judge in bracket senior division bracket out Gautam Buddha Nagar in original suit number 514 of 2010 in bracket Raghubar Singh Yadav and two others versus Shrimati Omvati and five others bracket out rejecting the revisionist's application under order 7 rule 11 in bracket D CPC full stop para. The facts of the case briefly stated are that Brijendra Singh, the predecessor in interest of the revisionist, entered into an agreement to sell dated 12/3/2004 with the plaintiff opposite party full stop para. It is alleged that regarding the same property, Brijendra Singh entered into another agreement to sell dated 14/5/2004 in favor of third parties regarding which a first information report is stated to have been lodged by the plaintiff full stop para. On 31/5/2006, Brijendra Singh filed a suit for cancellation of the agreement to sell dated 12/3/2004 and for injunction full stop para. The suit wherefrom the instant revision arises is a suit for a specific performance of the agreement to sell dated 12/3/2004 executed by Brijendra Singh in favor of the plaintiffs and was filed on 19/5/2010 full stop para. Before this court, as also in the application under order 7 rule 11 in bracket D bracket out CPC, the case of the revisionist is that since a suit had been filed for cancellation of the agreement to sell dated 12/3/2004 on 31/5/2006, the same amounted to a refusal to execute the sale deed in favor of the plaintiffs, and it is from this date that the limitation of filing a suit for a specific performance would begin to run full stop. Therefore, in view of Article 34 of the Limitation Act, the suit should have been filed within 3 years from 31/5/2006, but it has been filed in the year 2010 full stop. Therefore, the suit was barred by time and the plaint should have been rejected under Order 7th, Rule 11 in bracket D bracket out CPC, and in failing to do so, the court below has committed manifest illegality full stop para. It has further been submitted than filing of the earlier suit for cancellation of the agreement to sell has been admitted in the plaint of the suit for a specific performance full stop para. I have considered the submissions made by counsel for the revisionist and perused the record full stop para. Upon a consideration of the submissions made in my considered opinion, the question which arises for determination in this revision is whether filing of a suit for cancellation of the agreement to sell tantamounts to a refusal to execute the sale deed, and that the limitation for filing a suit for a specific performance will begin to run from the date suit for cancellation of the agreement to sell was filed full stop para. The judgment in Fateh Ji and Company in bracket Supra bracket out relied upon by the revisionist full stop over. तो दोस्तों ये हो गया है, ठीक है। 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड का है। तो ये क्या कहते हैं, इसमें कुछ वर्ड्स आए हैं। चंद्र कुमार, चंद्र के लिए चे बनाइए, एन की डबलिंग कर दीजिए, जो बताए थे, है ना। चंद के लिए डबलिंग नहीं होगी, डी निकलेगा, और चंद्र के लिए डी एन की डबलिंग। कुमार राय तो इजी है, बताएं कई बार, केयर बना दीजिए कुमार के लिए। ओमवती के लिए ओमवती पूरा बनेगा, एम बनाइए ऑन द लाइन, फिर वे मतलब डब्लू का स्ट्रोक, फिर टी, ई की वॉवल, ओमवती। रघुबर, रघुबर भी पूरा बनेगा, इजी है, आर गे और बी आर, ठीक है, और गे को काट दीजिए, घा के लिए रघुबर। सिंह यादव, और ब्रिजेंद्र के लिए थ्रो द लाइन बी आर बनाइए, फिर जे की डबलिंग करके एन का हुक लगा दीजिए, पेन की वॉवल आफ्टर में होगी, ब्रिजेंद्र सिंह, सिंह भी हो जाएगा, ठीक। और ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं है। फतेह जी, फतेह के लिए एफ और टी बना दीजिए अबव द लाइन, फतेह जी एंड कंपनी। हाँ, तो चलिए, जो नए लोग हों वो सब्सक्राइब कर दें, कल गैप हो गया डिक्टेशन में, सॉरी। और क्या कहते हैं कि लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। तो चलिए, 2 मिनट के बाद, 2 मिनट क्या, शुरू करने जा रहे हैं क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। तैयार हो जाइए। चलिए फिर, क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। Heard Shri Pramod Kumar, Learned Counsel for the Revisionists, Learned AGA for the State, and perused the material on record, full stop, para. This criminal revision has been filed by accused revisionists Lallan Babu and Srimati Rekha against the order dated 28/11/2017 passed by Additional Sessions Judge / Special Judge, POCSO Act, Court number 1 Auraiya, in Special Sessions Trial number 388 of 2015, State versus Raj alias Guddu, in bracket case crime number 150 of 2015, bracket out, under sections 363, 366, 376 IPC and 3/4 POCSO Act PS, District Auraiya, whereby trial court allowed the application under section 319 CRPC made by prosecution and summoned the accused revisionists to face trial, full stop, para. It has been contended by learned counsel for the revisionists that accused revisionists are falsely implicated in the present case, full stop. They committed no offense, full stop. Investigating officer during investigation did not find any evidence against the revisionists and he did not submit charge sheet, full stop. It has been further submitted that accused revisionists are not named in FIR, full stop. They have not been charge sheeted, full stop. Their names have not come in the statement of witnesses under section 161 CRPC, but they have been summoned. Believing the evidence of PW2 Anju Mishra in bracket victim bracket out, full stop, it has been further argued that trial court did not appreciate the evidence in right perspective, full stop. The revisionists are the parents of alleged main accused Raj alias Guddu, full stop, para. On the other hand, learned AGA refuted the submission of learned counsel for the revisionists and submitted that accused revisionists are parents of main accused Raj alias Guddu, full stop. They have provoked the main accused to commit the crime, full stop. PW1 is not an eyewitness, full stop. PW2 is the victim who supported the prosecution case and proved the involvement of revisionists in the present crime, full stop, para. Brief facts of the case are as under: para A. An FIR bearing case crime number 150 of 2015 was lodged by one Avdesh Kumar in bracket father of victim bracket out against the accused Raj alias Guddu under sections 363 and 366 IPC, stating that his minor daughter in bracket name of victim is withheld by me bracket out, aged about 15 years, was seduced and abducted by accused Raj alias Guddu on 3/4/2015 at about 1 p.m. full stop. Matter was investigated by investigating officer who submitted charge sheet against the accused Raj alias Guddu full stop para B. During the course of trial, statement of PW1 informant and PW2 victim were recorded full stop. PW2 supported the prosecution case and disclosed the involvement of revisionists full stop para C. PW2 in her statement has stated that when she went to the shop of accused Raj alias Guddu on 3/4/2015 at about 11 am, his parents in bracket present revisionists gave rupees 5,000 and provoked to go with Raj alias Guddu to Gujarat. Thereafter she went to Gujarat with Raj where she lived with him for about 2.5 months full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड में हो गया है और एक जगह हमने ब्रैकेट क्लोज नहीं बोला है अभी लास्ट में जहाँ प्रेजेंट रिविजनिस्ट्स आया हुआ है. ठीक है, गुड्डू नॉर्मल है, गे और डी थ्रो द लाइन. ठीक है, ऊ की वॉवल. गुजरात कैसे बनेगा? गे जे थ्रो द लाइन जे फिर आर अपवर्ड हाफ. ठीक, राज नॉर्मल है. औरैया के लिए या तो डाउनवर्ड आर बना के ये बना दीजिए या फिर ये मत बनाइए, केवल ईया की वॉवल लगा दीजिए. डाउनवर्ड आर अबव द लाइन और ईया की वॉवल और इसके बिफोर में भी ओ की वॉवल, ताकि औरैया समझ में आए. और जिनको समझ में ना आए वो अपवर्ड आर और ये की आउटलाइन. ठीक है, और ज़रूरी वॉवल्स लगा दीजिएगा. रेखा तो नॉर्मल है ऑन द लाइन. अपवर्ड आर के को काट दीजिएगा, खा हो जाएगा. और लल्लन तो हो गए अबव द लाइन एल, फिर एक और एल अपवर्ड एल. ठीक है, और उसमें एन का हो तो लल्लन हो जाएगा वो. ठीक है, बी की डबलिंग कर दीजिए, ऊ की वॉवल लगा दीजिए, बाबू हो जाएगा. हाँ, और अंजू भी नॉर्मल है. मिश्रा थ्रो द लाइन एम बनाइए, सर्किल बना के अपवर्ड आर कर दीजिए और दैट की वॉवल मिश्रा हो जाएगा. और प्रमोद पूरा बनेगा पी आर एम और फिर डी. ठीक, तो चलिए फिर ये हो गया है. आप लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब वगैरह सब कुछ कर दीजिएगा, कमेंट दीजिएगा. ठीक, तो मिलते हैं अगले डिक्टेशन में. थैंक यू सो मच.